Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to fund your MetaMask assets or your MetaMask wallet from your bank account, directly from your bank account, okay? And also there are some questions here that caught my attention, all right? And I believe you too can learn from these questions. These are the questions that some people here are asking. You can see that here, this is what I'll be explaining, okay? This is what I'll be showing you, the step-by-step on how to do this, okay? Then someone here is asking can you buy coins directly from MetaMask, sorry. Of course, you can buy coins directly from MetaMask, okay? I want you to know that. And also another person here is asking how to turn MetaMask crypto into cash. So in order for you to turn your MetaMask crypto into cash, you have to, after having some tokens, you have to first of all have some tokens in your MetaMask before you can even think of to convert it to cash, okay? In order to convert your tokens from your MetaMask to cash, then you will need a third-party app, which is an exchange, okay? That will be in our next video. So if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell button. Also ensure you join the WhatsApp community. The link is right at the description of this video so that you stay updated whenever I'm posting a new important video, okay? So here another person is asking if MetaMask connect to your bank account. Of course it's connect to your bank account, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is my MetaMask. In order for you to fund your MetaMask with your cash, you have to first of all select any token that you're gonna be using, okay? So for the sake of this video, I'll be selecting BNB, okay? I'll be selecting BNB. You can use any, you can buy any of these, all right? You can buy any of these directly with the cash, or EFC, CPEN, or BNB, but I just want to choose BNB, okay? For as an example, so I'll choose BNB, click on it. Then see where you have this buy over here. You tap on this buy. Okay, so you can see that to take you to this page, you see that you want to buy, they'll ask you want to buy USDC. Just come over here and change this USDC to BNB. Okay, what you have to do is that you have to know that if you are buying any coin, these are the list of coins available in the BNB smart chain. So in order for you to buy any coin, you have to first of all buy this coin, purchase this coin here. All right, you have to buy this coin and then this coin in USDC and then swap it over to the BNB here in MetaMask, okay? All right, these are the options. These are the three popular options that you can use to buy any token straight up from your bank account, okay? So you select any of these, USDC, USDT, and Baby Doge, okay? So you just select USDC. Just select any of them. So I'll select USDC. And then you input the card, you input the amount that you want to buy. And remember, when you select USDCs, this is the amount that is going to be charged when you buy this token, okay? All right, you understand what I hope you understand what I'm saying. After buying this token, you have to now convert it now to your normal BNB or any other token that you want to be buying from directly here in MetaMask. All right, so whenever you're purchasing this is the charges that will be taken. All right, you can see that it's very, very small, okay? So you input the amount, in, you can input the amount in Naira or in the US dollars. So, but the default currency is US dollars. So we'll select the default currency in US dollars. And then we'll come over here and add up our debit card. If you click here, there are 3 options that you can use. You can either pay through your Google Pay, you can pay through your Visa, or you can pay through your MasterCard. All right. Now, if you are paying through this MasterCard, you have to ensure that either your Visa card or your MasterCard is dollar dominated. All right. But if it is not dollar dominated, I think the best option you have to use is this. To me, this is the option that works very, very well for me. Okay. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to pay through this, but this is the fastest options. This Visa and the MasterCard these are the 2 fastest options that you can use. But if your country is not supporting, or let's say you don't have currently you don't have Visa or MasterCard currently at your disposal, and you have this Google Pay, I think these are the 3 best options to use. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to pay through your Google Pay. All right, that is why you have to stay connected by subscribing to the channel and turning on your notifications, so that whenever I drop videos concerning this, you can stay updated and know what to do. Okay, and also ensure you stay connected in our WhatsApp group. That is where most of the updates that are not being dropped here at a regular basis are being dropped. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel. So after clicking on this, you have to come over here and click on this get quota. All right, when you click on this get quota, the amount that you want to be that you are going to be depositing into your MetaMask will show, and the amount that the blockchain will remove from your bank is going to pop up. Just click on confirm and click on continue, and the money will be deposited directly into your MetaMask. Okay, it will be deposited directly into your MetaMask. All right, then you can now use it and buy any token or do whatever you want to do, or make other purchases like